सर ये बोलते हैं ना हौरो हौरो
Tingsin PDP Mingwin na parabata ilang kam nirmala sanu kopnan na taram na utsari koina na Singh MMAS Executive Officer Jiripam Municipality Council koina na
all the imams, all the members, dear students, and also I'm really glad to see you all are here, that too on this important occasion, that is World Environment Day. From the District Child Protection Unit against the child, our chairman of every girl childs. That's what under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao also lots of activities are being taken up, but at time, it is about that after the voice against any wrong. So, this under Article 51A, जब हम fundamental duties की बात करते हैं, protect and promote the environment. So,
सर ये बोलते हैं ना हौरो हौरो
Tấp nào ngang ở đây ngon thứ tả đấy.
देखो साहब इधर सा ओ सा पिता
हाँ ऐसे दिया था
Ay,